Edgar Allan Guzman, Magpakailanman, Love Times 3, The Joel and April Regal Love Story, GMA 7, Alden Richards, Magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7.
I think I'm wearing your suit in that photo, bro. All right. And the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to Mr. Alden Richards. Magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7. And presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Check. Tama ka na, Robby. But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to, of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakailanman, of course, Kuya Sen Intigwe, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility, and we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode. I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like, and one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC, and good evening.
Congratulations, Al. Congratulations. Thank you for that beautiful and heartfelt speech. Grabe. Nakaka-inspire. And tama, let's all be kinder to each other. Now finally, one of the most coveted trophies tonight. Sino nga ba ang nagwagi tonight? The star for the best single performance by an actress.
Irma Adlawan, Tadhana, My Golden Love, GMA 7. Abby Austria, Magpakailanman, I Am Not My Mother, GMA 7. Rita Avila, Magpakailanman, Inaka ng Anak Mo, GMA 7. Charmaine Buencamino, Magpakailanman, Ang Batang Hamog, The Boy Zobel Story, GMA 7. Therese Malvar, Magpakailanman, Bayad Utang, GMA 7. Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA 7. Rian Ramos, Magpakailanman, Ang Hiling sa Diyos, The Vance Uy Kawaki Story, GMA 7.
Alright, and the star for the best single performance by a lead actress goes to Rochelle Pangilinan, magpakailanman, the abuse teacher, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President and Auditor Rodel Fernando.
Thank you. And thank you PMPC Star Awards for this Best Single. Ang sarap namin, wait lang. Best Single Performance by an Actress. Actress na ako! Oh my gosh! And lahat, ilan po yata sa inyo, alam nyo na first love ko ay dancing. Siguro from Eat Bulaga to Daisy 7 hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng interes sa acting sa Amaya. Doon ko naintindihan na bilang actress ay kinakalaban ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kapag may binigay sa aking role o trabaho, sinisigurado ko na mas mahigitan ko yung ginawa kong huling role. And china-challenge ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kaya itong award na to ay napaka-fulfilling. Kaya ninamnam ko kanina, napaka-rewarding, maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng kasama ko sa nominasyon para po sa inyo to, sa lahat ng katrabaho namin sa industriyang ito, mula sa lahat ng staff, directors, lahat, co-actors, maraming salamat po. At syempre sa aking home network, mulat sa pool na tumuntong ako sa showbiz industry, ang GMA 7. Maraming salamat ang Sparkle family, ang PPL family, at higit sa lahat sa pamilya ko na si Arthur Solinap na asawa ko na lagi nakakakita na minsan sinasabi niya sa akin na, oh, naglalakad tayo sa mall, bakit mukha kang warrior maglakad? So, method ko na minsan at syempre sa anak kong si Shiloh, anak, para sa ito. And maraming salamat po magpakailanman. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magkakaroon nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Thank you so much. We feel you. Congratulations to all of our awardees. We are nearing the last stretch of our program as more awards are up for grabs when the 37th Star Awards for Television returns.
For Best Single Performance by an Actor, Benjamin Alves, Magpakailanman, Mister na Walang Misis, GMA 7. Martin Del Rosario, Magpakailanman, Almost a Champion. Danenerio, The Amazing Arizala Story, GMA 7. Kokoy